Welcome to Live in and as Light messages. These messages are from Divine Source Universe. I've been guided to share these with you. These are eternal and timeless. Whenever you come across this message, it is meant for you. Take whatever resonates with you and trust your intuition at all the time. This is Akanksshaa. Please like, comment, share, follow, subscribe wherever you're watching this. This is like an energy exchange, and let's keep the energy of knowledge, of light, and love flowing. Let's see the first message today. The hush of heaven holds my heart today. Remember that where your heart is, there is your treasure also. So the message is to follow your heart. That's where your treasure is. Second message is Sisterhood of the Rose. Beauty and devotion. Priestess, mystic, teacher. The Sisterhood of the Rose is a lineage of priestesses and mystics who devoted their lives to serving humanity and seeding light consciousness all over the earth. A cross-section of ancient lineages, it is the path of devotion and beauty. Walking this path means being devoted to seeing and creating beauty wherever you go. The rose symbolizes the heart and the sacred geometry of all life. You are being called to notice the beauty around you, particularly in nature, and hear the whispers of Mother Earth. You are being called to spend more time in nature, as all the ancient secrets live there. Mother Earth is constantly whispering. Spend time admiring her creations, and you will be rewarded with insight and grace. You are being called to take a little more time to both notice the beauty that exists all around you and contribute to the beauty of the world in your own way too. This could be through your own creations or in the little things like how you dress to picking flowers for your home. Every time you devote your time to creating beauty, you harmonize the planet a little more, and a shift in vibration can be felt. So, how do you work your light? What is the action that you need to take? Surround yourself with beauty and create beauty wherever you go. Spend time in nature, admire nature, be with nature. Also, whatever your soul's voice asks you to create, go on creating these creations, and they may be little, but they are seeding light consciousness all over the world. And as we are ascending in the higher dimension, especially even these small things that you create will raise your vibration and bring in the light and the high vibration on this planet. These are the messages for today. Lots of love.